Now this is a case of a patient which came for the burning micturition, but this was an incidental finding. As we can see here that this diameter of this appendix is 7 mm, 7.5 mm. The appendix is quite enlarged, but this was absolutely normal clinically. I had put the probe over the right iliac fossa and had compressed significantly over the right iliac fossa, but patient never had any sort of probe tenderness, nor he had any history of such pain in the right iliac fossa favoring the appendicitis. So this is enlarged appendix, absolutely normal type of appendix we can say clinically, and sonographically it is abnormal. But what diagnosis we have to give, we will discuss it later. Just see the findings. Now this lumen of this appendix was enlarged due to this sludge type of matter inside the appendix. This is the sludge, hyperechoic sludge inside the appendix, which was causing the distension up to 7.5 mm. And here this is the transverse section in which we see, we can say it piccolith also, some call it, but as the texture is little bit, what we say, not piccolith type. Piccolith generally gives a posterior acoustic shadow. So this is a soft, some what is sludge type of thing, and the descending colon was of other case. And at the base of this appendix, it was normal. Let me see if I had taken the photo of the base of the appendix. Yes, here. This is the base of the appendix. It was normal, 3.5. So so what we say, sludge inside the appendix was present in the terminal part of the appendicular length. So that was not obstructing. And when the piccolith or the sludge inside the appendix is not obstructing, the patient will not have episode of acute appendicitis. So this is the reason that why the patient is not having, never had pain in right iliac fossa any time in his life. But here we see, when we see this image, this is quite obvious of the appendicitis. This you see this enlarged appendix. It was measuring 6.9. Okay, so this is some complex explanation of the appendix, what to write inside the report. Okay, so in this what I had given is appendix is enlarged and is loaded with piccolith and sludge type of particle, giving enlargement of the diameter, showing enlargement of the diameter with normal vascularity, no free fluid or fat standing surrounding the appendix. And I had not given anything, acute or subacute appendicitis, nothing, just a piccolith in appendix, that's all. Okay, so you understand that what we are supposed to write.